What cameras do you wish to use? What audio equipment will you need? How will you light your shots? These are your questions up front. For our class, here's the gear that you have access to. It's the same camera that you use in MSV, the HPX-170. You all know by now that this is a technically pretty difficult camera to use. It has a lot of stuff on it. So we actually, I'll come back to that. We actually created a set of cards that go into the camera bags. It's a field guide, and you can view these cards if you're trying to do something, like for example, what if you need to format the P2 card? How many people actually remember how to format a P2 card off the top of their head? Right, like maybe a couple, it's kind of murky. Me too. I forget these things, especially in a time-sensitive situation. You're going to forget stuff. So these are very reliable. I will also point out that the PDF of them is on session 2 for today, and I can't stress enough how handy this has proven to be, the field guide, and it has, just kind of goes through the things you might want to set out in the field. So this is, for example, you could link to this with your cell phone and pull it up and have this to help you solve problems. For example, there's the formatting the P2 card. It has recording settings, some quick tips, sound check, where to plug in microphones. It has exposure, how to set the exposure, a few lighting tips, lighting diagram, white balance. Has like 5 steps to set the white balance. So I would recommend using those today during the workshop, getting to know those.